Hold on.
No, it's definitely bigger than that. Big news. I think
The 37th Circuit Court is now in session with the Honorable Brian K. Kirkham presiding, calling case 2022-7560M Heather Avila versus Jonathan Avila. Today is Monday, October 30th, 2023 at 9:41 a.m.
Court will note the appearance of Mr. Schaefer on behalf of plaintiff. This matter is before the court on the plaintiff's motion to correct scrivener's error and for contempt and other relief. Court will note the defendant has not appeared, nor has the defendant responded or filed any pleadings in this particular matter. The court waited now 11 minutes for the defendant to appear. He has not done so. Mr. Schaefer.
Please the court, Your Honor. This is the second time that we've been back to court on contempt requests. Mr. Avila, he has not complied with the judgment, and well, there's a scrivener's error in the should be 430 North Linden Street rather than 423. We ask that that be corrected and a corrected order be entered on the contempt order of 524 of 23. The contempt part of it is that the judgment of divorce set up a situation where Mr. Avila was to pay the mortgage and utilities anticipated through December of 22. At that point in time, he was getting financing and paying off of the Serby property to be deeded over to my client. He has stopped the payments on that. As a result of that, that is in jeopardy right at the moment. And so we're asking, since the last order required him to list the property on Linden Street to cover the costs on Serby Street, and he has failed to do that. He's in contempt of that court order again, but he apparently is not going to follow the orders. So we're asking for relief. The relief that I anticipate we need is that to give my client the authority to auction the Linden Street property off, and to, from that, have a lien to cover all of the expenses that he was obligated to pay under the judgment of divorce, so that the Serby can be paid off and transferred to my client. And we're asking for costs again that he's in contempt of court. So those are the requests, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, the court would note that, again, it is clear the judgment of divorce did provide that again, he would pay those costs and until the property was paid off, et cetera, or refinanced. He has not done that. The court will hold him in contempt of court for failing to comply with the judgment of divorce and the order of May 24, 2023, both of those. The court would order that the court would grant your requested relief to have the Linden Street property auctioned off as a result of his failure to comply. And the court would award you attorney fees. What is the amount of that, Mr. Schaefer?
I think we're it's another $1,000, the same as it was before, Your Honor. The preparation, the appearance, and the review. So we're going to have that amount of money into it.
Court would award to Mr. Schaefer's office attorney fees and costs of $1,000, which shall be paid within 60 days from today's date. Failing to do so, it'll be a lien against the proceeds from the Linden Street. Well, not Linden, from the Serby. It's the Serby, that's Linden Street.
Yeah.
Okay. And also, Mr. Schaefer, what the court can do is, so we don't have to wait on Mr. Avila, the court can, in that order, also transfer that property to the plaintiff free and clear of any claim on his part, so we don't have to have him execute anything to transfer the property.
Okay. Okay, very good. I will prepare that order and submit it, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Court will end this matter
Thank
at 9:45 a.m. You're free to go. Have a good day.